All right, we are outside of our Sterling Heights house here on Maas Street. And also our team is super busy. We are buying a house tomorrow in Keego Harbor. In about 2 weeks, we're buying an Oxford house. Our goal is to do 2 a month for this whole year. So you gotta help keep us honest. If you or someone else you know has a house that needs some work, we would love to come in, give a cash offer, and we can buy it as is condition. The people can leave anything else they don't want behind, and our team will come in, clean it out just like this house, and we'll take care of them. But we're gonna go on in. Our team has been killing it on this house. We got about 2 weeks left, so let's go see what it looks like. All right, so we just painted this. This is the living room. We got the paper on the hardwood floor, so there's actually a lot of hardwood floor in this house, in the living room and in the bedrooms. We're gonna put some more LVP flooring right here. So this is the LVP flooring that I'm talking about. We have it throughout the kitchen, and I guess this family room or living room, always mix up which one is which. We have the cabinets in. We got granite on its way, and we got the stainless steel appliances. We have a sweet, I think a 36-inch fridge, nicer than mine with like water and all this ice and all that stuff. Gas range, overhead microwave, and a dishwasher over here. And then we're gonna paint this fireplace black. That's gonna be done, or charcoal, in the next couple days. All right, I'll take you guys to the bedroom. So we got all new doors. They were all like the flat panel doors beforehand. Now we got some nice, sweet 2-panel doors. And so these are all painted. This all has hardwood floor. We got the new vanity sitting out in the garage for this. We're gonna reglaze this tile. So we're gonna leave it. We're gonna reglaze some of it white, maybe this tub gray, or the tub white, and then maybe this gray to give it kind of an accent. And then a new vanity goes here. Again, another bedroom. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,700 square foot brick ranch in Sterling Heights. Pretty sweet house, and it has a pool, which I'm super jealous of. And then this is the master, and it has a master bathroom. We're gonna be replacing the toilet. We got the vanity that's gonna be going in, and reglaze that tile, all the yellow tile as well. So let's see. I'm gonna take you guys to the basement. This also has like 1,500 square foot finished basement. It's pretty sweet. And it also has a half bathroom down there as well. Here's the laundry room. So we replaced the cabinets. This is where the washer, dryer, and the laundry tub goes. Out here's the garage. Nothing special, just some of our tools right now.
Do you want to talk about the pool?
Yeah, so nothing special. We can go on downstairs real quick. Just a garage. Here. So our team's been working on painting the basement right now. So we gotta spray the ceiling black, we got the walls painted, and we're gonna put down some linoleum flooring down here. And then this is the half bath. A nice electrical box in the bathroom. But yeah, that's the update for our Sterling Heights house. We're buying a Keego Harbor house tomorrow, so we'll do an update on that, and then Oxford house in like 2 weeks. So see you guys soon.